Hello, my name is Gaurav, and our team name is ESociety, and our theme is Project Cybersecurity and Blockchain. And our problem statement is Cybersecurity Frameworks for Rural Digital Banking. So, first of all, I want to introduce you to our project title. Project idea title is SurakshaPay. We start from a story. uh, which is of a farmer whose name is Ramesh, a farmer in Bihar. He receives a KYC update notification, and because he don't know about the other, is not that literate, so he clicks on it and he fills up the details whichever was asked by the fraudster. Obviously, he's trying to fraud him, right? Taking his information. So, a theft, phishing, SMS swap, poor internet connectivity, low digital literacy. So these are common issues which we are trying to solve by this project, which is SurakshaPay. It is an UPI kind of thing which helps farmers, illiterate people to successfully transfer money. So we have voice authentication in local language, and for example, if the voice authentication is activated and we speak "Mera Paisa Surakshit," there is a psychological effect in farmer's mindset. There is sense of confidence in which he will have a feeling that my money is safe. And we have offline transaction features uh, by SMS, USSD. If there is poor internet connection, it's not like we will not need any internet connection. But if the internet connection is poor, yeah, it is fine, and we can transfer the money safely. So there is a fraud risk indicator in which traffic light system we have green is equal to safe, yellow equals to caution, and red equals to risk. So this was introduction of our topic. We'll move on to our technical aspect. So our project is basically a prototype. So we have only included front end in it. So yeah, that's all. We don't have any backend, so we haven't specifically explained what we're gonna do. So authentication, here's also the same thing. Authentication, PIN, voice recognition, and QR confirm we have in our project. And we'll have a screen, a dashboard, welcome screen of our app logo with it, and our idea name, SurakshaPay. And then we'll have a dashboard where we can transfer money, send money to it, and many other features we can do it, pay bills and all, see the history. Also, we have main thing, voice authentication, which is very important and very unique. There are many apps like UPI and all. I don't want to take names, but they don't have this feature, and we are trying to implement it. So, as you know, we have authentication like PIN authentication, voice and recognition. We have offline support with the feature of USSD and SMS protocol for secure fallback. Um, Fraud detection, we have risk rule, traffic light system. As we know, we have discussed in the introduction part. Uh, so it depends on transaction size, device, and location. How much transaction you proceed with. If so, for example, you want to do transaction of 100 rupees. So it will be of low risk, and if you want to do 10,000 rupees, it will be of medium risk, which will be, this will signal as yellow, and this will signal as green. And if you want a transaction of 1 lakh or more than that, then it will show as high amount, and it will signal red. So this was a basic understanding of how this system works, red light and green light system, traffic light system. Now we will proceed with data integrity, future integration with blockchain and ledger. So this is future implementation. So we'll not focus and not talk about that for now. So we'll further discuss about our flow chart, which is really important. So first, the user will login, pass and username. So if he logins that, then he wanna do a transaction, right? So he will send a transaction list. For example, he wanna send 100 rupees, 1,000 rupees to some person. So it will generate a request and it will check it is fraud or not. So 1,000 means it is mid, right? It is mid. So it will signal as yellow, and depending upon the location, if it is if you are living in uh, Maharashtra, and the and your request and you want a transaction to a friend in USA. So it will depend on the location as well. So it will tell you as no, this is a different location, and you will get a signal red, which is not safe, right? And then we'll move on to authentication. Authentication is of three types in our case. The first authentication type is PIN. The second one is voice, and the third one is QR. So these are the basic authentications which we are going to implement in this chart, in this project. So it will, by doing this, we'll get a success or fraud alert. If success, then you will get a green light, and if not, you'll get a red light. So this was about the technical aspects. We'll move on further to the next slide. We have taken much more time in this. Now, feasibility and visibility. Uh, in feasibility, our app is lightweight app. Anybody can use it, and we have features like a SSD and USSD and SMS fallback, and we have upscale with UPI. Second one is challenges we are gonna face. So let me change color. So voice accuracy in noise. If there is noise in background, that is a challenge. How we can tackle it. Adoption and bank integration is the much bigger problem in our project, because we are dealing with transactions, right? We can't just joke around and do whatever we want. We have to follow all the guidelines our RBI government tell us to follow. mitigation, localized voice module. We have if uh, if this is our country, India, and there are many states in it, right? So each state have its own languages, right? So we are gonna have each voice modules to it, and yeah, get it. We have community training, and community training means we can have surveys, do a survey in particular areas, and explain people how to just do and use the UPI app, SurakshaPay app. Now, this is impact estimated 20 to 30% reduction in common frauds. By using our system, we'll have 20 to 30% reduction in common frauds, and people will gain more trust in our app, which we are gonna make. So this is feasibility challenges and mitigation we have discussed about. Let's see another slide, which is impacts and benefits. So impacts, as we have discussed, we have 20%, we have 20 to 30% reduction in frauds and all the issues we have discussed in introduction. We will gain trust by giving a safe digital payment. This all impact is gonna have in their lives. So these are all benefits. Social benefits are financial safety for farmer, elderly and rural families. Economic secure transaction is equal to more digital banking adoption. If there is secure transaction, then more people will use, right? And the conclusion will be support local languages. Inclusion will be support local languages plus low literacy users. So we are making it for low literacy users. So we are focusing on that. So research and references. So we have referred many documents, especially RBI, Reserve Bank of India, Guideline 21 to 24, and RBI Master also circular on UPI and mobile banking. Cybersecurity and fraud data we have discussed. We have read the report on annual report on 2020 to 2024 of we have concluded highest increase in phishing and OTP frauds in rural area in 2022 to 2024, and PCI report on UPI adoption in semi-urban and rural regions. We have referred case studies and solution on USSD, our offline system which we are going to implement, which will guarantee offline digital transaction in poor internet condition. The next is voice biometric research in Indian language. Biometric research in Indian language, ICT, CDSP, and Microsoft India. For biometric research, we have referred prototype and practical works of IIT, CDAC, and Microsoft India. This is our SurakshaPay prototype link, which you can check out at. Future scopes are AI-driven fraud detection. Will use machine learning risk module, integration with government subsidies, and pension scheme for mass adoption. So this was the project SurakshaPay, and the introduction about our project and our problem statement of cybersecurity framework and rural digital banking. So hope you will get any idea, any learning from our project. So please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. Thank you.